In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and properly uninstall and delete apps from your Mac. And I want you to get to this list of applications here. So go ahead and open your Finder or open a new Finder window. So you can right-click the Finder on your dock and go to New Finder window, and that will open this here. Then what you want to do in the upper left-hand corner of your menu bar, go ahead and click on the Go button and then go to Applications towards the bottom. Another way you can get to your applications list is Command Space on your keyboard to open up Spotlight Search, and then you can click this right here or go ahead and key in Command 1 on your keyboard to bring up this list of applications as well. So once we're here and we have our list of applications in our Finder window, we want to right click on the application that we want to delete and then go ahead and click on Move to Trash. When we do that, it will prompt us to type in our password for our computer. Go ahead and do that and hit OK, and then you'll hear the trash sound. When you do this, it's not completely uninstalled. It's removed from the applications list here, but you actually have to open up your trash as you see here, and then once you have your trash, go to the empty button here, and it says empty trash, confirm that, and now the application is completely removed. Another way of doing this is going and right-clicking on the trash can icon in your dock, and then going to empty trash. Couple of things here that you need to know. If an application is open, it cannot be deleted. So you got to go up here, go to the Apple icon, go to Force Quit, and then select the application that you want to delete. And then lastly, if you wanted to, you could always select and hold an application and drag that to the trash can, and that works the same way. Just know that any documents or files created with these apps that you delete will still remain on your computer, so you would need to go and search for those and delete those manually. If you have any questions, I'll put a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.